Hello from another beach close to Chania, Crete. This is Agion Apostolon, and it's a beautiful sandy beach with a very nice sea over here, and it's a bit more scenic, this one, as there are rock formations and caves around the beach. I can see one interesting cave over there that can be explored. And yes, we have a very nice day on this 22nd of April, and this is already my fourth beach adventure of today along my walk from my hotel in Agia Marina all the way to Chania. And now I am well over halfway through. But I wanted to visit a few beaches along the way. So I visited earlier today Glaros Beach and Iguana Beach that are very close to here. And this is another one that's called Agion Apostolon in the small village called Agia Apostoloi. It looks amazing. And 26 degrees Celsius in the air and 17.7 in the sea. And this is actually the Aegean Sea, more specifically the Sea of Crete. So Cretan Sea, that's part of the Aegean Sea, that's part of the Mediterranean Sea. So, but it's not like the actual Mediterranean, like it is on the south part of the island of Crete. So yes, let's then check out the water and enjoy once again. As I'm showing you different beaches now. And yes, so this is my day 3, and I am exploring the northwest coast of Crete, around Chania and in the neighborhood over there. And yes, I just had a sandwich because I was hungry, so that's why I'm a bit yeah. So I'm not hungry anymore, so I can definitely enjoy in peace the beach adventures. The beach looks amazing, and the sand is golden, and there is some old child camp here that I don't think it's in function anymore. And on this Monday, 22nd of April, there are a few people on the beach compared to the ones in Agia Marina, because we are getting closer to Chania, which is quite a larger city, where not just tourists come, but also people that live there and visit these beaches that are close to the city. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful indeed. All right, it's time to take a swim, so let's go. Amazing. The sand here is pure. The bottom here is pure sand, so it's super nice and lovely. Yes, it feels like a blessing to explore Crete in April, 2 years in a row, because I was also last year in Crete as well, but on the southeast coast. And I can tell you already that back there the beaches were empty, completely empty, because there were not so many larger cities over there. And in the village I was staying in Makrielos, after that there were like wild beaches that nobody was going to, at least in April when I was there. Here it's a bit different, as it is more populated, and more people live on this north coast of Crete, because it's more convenient to get to the mainland of Greece as well, with regular boats, but also with planes as well. So yes, this is Paralia Agion Apostolon in the smaller village of Agia Apostoloi, 4 to 5 kilometers from Chania, depending on where you start counting from. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.
Sea.